Can you introduce yourself? What's your name?
Sure. My name is Gianluca Barile. I'm a civil engineer of PROCMATECH, Italy. We come from the southern part of Italy,
Okay.
and we design and build solutions for automation for manufacturing.
Okay.
And we export it all around the world. Where there is a necessity, we are there. We used to say that we don't sell, we solve problems.
I love it.
That's what we do.
I love it. And so why should a U.S. manufacturer use or buy from PROCMATECH?
First, we can ensure our big professionalities. We are very good in what we do. Our quality has very high standards because of first passion we put in what we do. So every product that goes out from our plant must to be perfect, must to achieve the aim with the high standards, with a high performance level that could ensure manufacturing always increase their production, either the quantity and both quantity and quality production. Yeah.
Wonderful. And how can a person watching today, how can they contact PROCMATECH?
First, you can send us an email on info@procmatech.com.
Okay.
Or visiting our website www.procmatech.com. We also can keep in touch in LinkedIn on our profile PROCMATECH SRL.
Yeah.
Or Instagram.
You have an Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
That's great.
Our marketing office will reply and then send the information to our commercial office.
Wonderful.
Departments.
Do you have a U.S. location?
We still not right now, but we have different partnership with local societies who help us, which help us to have a short time intervent where problems occur.
Yeah.
While in 48 hours, our technician, our engineers will come for sure in US.
Wonderful.
So starting with the beginning, first 48 hours, we have partnership with different technicians here in US, with US companies, and after we come and we solve the problem.
Wonderful.
It's a pleasure.
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Take care.